Ha kasngi bakari India karakhe yak Independence Day ka bahenyo pupra ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kalapan her yak artli ki lama high mast ni ka bajrong hanong ba shlong. Ya kini ki lama lapan her da umentri rang ba ka jela Conrad ki sangma ha ka jingran lang ulampang ka yung dorbar tauan ka jela Meghalaya u Thomas E sangma but u Dr. Andrew Simons, Commissioner and Secretary jong ka yung dorbar. Kalama kabaningkong kabajrong shispa pun kabapasha ka police bazar katba kalama kabaar kabahe sanpuar point sanpun kapaw bha hakmat ka legislative assemblies administrative block hakandailan ha kani ka jingra khis ngi light lut ladan langru ki menteri sarkar bakantup ya Marcus and Marak bat uba AL hek nalor ki officer bat kinong tre na kayon dorbar tauan jong ka jilla Meghalaya. La yo ru ya ka jingrwai bakerpang na ka de aruhak waya banken ma buram ya ki klawat jongkari bat ka jela. Ulam pang u Thomas is sangma ulapan pau ya ka jing sngo sarong jong u da ka baong. Menta kasngi ha kani kasngi lai lut ngas ngo sarong shibun ban penher ya ki lama kari ka baningkong e ha ka jing he ha ka jela. Ula benrap ru bakani ka de ka khlemat ka bas ngo sarong na ka benta ki pat ba ka nong ba shlong bat ka jela Meghalaya. Bat haba yo iya kalama kari kabaher na syajrong klem arta tien kan wanra ya kamensim it ri ya baro.
Today, on the day of our Independence Day celebrations, I'm very proud to be unfurling the Indian national flag high mast for the first time in our state of Meghalaya. If I'm not mistaken, I'm very proud. It's a very proud moment for all of us, for the people of Meghalaya, to have this kind of big high mast flag standing in the middle of the city, capital city, Shillong. I think it is a proud moment for each one of us, and I'm also very happy that there is a sense of patriotism when we see this flag. I'm sure everyone will have that sense of patriotism. I think this one is a 30-meter height, and the other one is 100 feet, 30 meters. Yes, 30 meters, 100 feet. 30 point something, but actually I think it's 100 feet, around 100 feet.